No drilling required grab bar installation. So this is my parents' shower, and they're getting older and they want a grab bar. So I found a German company online that makes adhesive-based bathroom accessories that sticks to tile, glass, stone, and metal surfaces. They're called wieder, bohren, which means never drill again. So you get 8 stainless steel screws. I chose the 36-inch polished stainless steel bar. You get 2 alcohol cleaning cloths or preparation tissue. And very detailed instructions. First, you want to locate where you want to put the bar and make sure it is a flat surface. I'm going to put mine, I'm measuring it the same length and height as the other bar. Now you need to clean the surface really well. So you want a new razor blade so that it doesn't scratch. These are new, but they are a little rusty. On a dry tile, you want to scrape off the soap residue. You'll be surprised how much of this comes up. So clean off everything where the bar is going to go, even the middle. Because once that bar's up there, it's going to be hard to clean that spot. So you're going to need a light abrasive cleaner like soft scrub. And paper towels. So shake it up really well. And you want to get off all that soap residue. And then you're going to rinse it well with water. And then dry the area. You want the surface to look like new. So then you're going to take the wipes. These are alcohol wipes, and you want it to wipe that all off clean. And then you're going to allow it to dry for 30 minutes. And if you have marble, allow it to dry for 1 hour. So first you're going to slide the cover rings away to expose the 3 holes. If you can't remove the cover ring, tap it on a firm surface. Attach the triangular adapter to the grab bar using the Allen wrench and screws. When this is finished and you're ready to put it up, you want to remove the adapter's protective film from the foam rings on both sides and do not touch the sticky part. Mark the spot with painter's tape and then carefully press the grab bar onto the spot that you want for 5 seconds. The adhesive rings are meant to temporarily hold the bar in place. They give you the 2 extra, which is nice. So I measured where these are, and then I'm using these little pieces of tape. I forgot to film that part, but then you want to, once you got it stuck to the tile, you want to remove the screws from the grab bar. Now I was holding the camera with one hand, and this is what happened, but that won't happen to you because you have your 2 hands. So now you want to separate the 3 red tube keys. And you're going to pierce the seal with the pointed end of the red key. And then slide the slotted side of the red key over the tube end. Insert the adhesive tube into the center hole. Turn clockwise and you will feel the tube lock into the center hole. Turn the red key slowly to squeeze the adhesive out of the 3 holes. Now don't touch or wipe off any excess adhesive. And you're going to let this dry for 24 hours. It'll look messy like this, but it'll dry, then you'll wipe it off with a razor blade. So just let it be. So I was just curious if I got it right. It was too late. I couldn't move them, but they came out pretty good. So then, because this is a shower and I knew my parents were going to take a shower, I took a piece of, this is biodegradable trash bag, and duct tape. And I covered up the triangular adapters. And I puffed it out a little bit. I left it open at the bottom. So after 24 hours, you can take this off. So then you take the razor blade and you remove the excess adhesive. And you want it smooth. So then you reattach the grab bar and have the cover rings in the middle of your hands. Loosely attach all screws first, alternating sides, then use the Allen wrench to tighten, but do not over tighten the screws or you can damage the adhesive bond. Then slide the cover rings over the mounting flange. Turn in one direction until the ring is aligned for a snug fit. There should be a small gap between the cover ring and wall to provide proper drainage of water. And if you use chemicals to clean your shower, use clear caulk around the top half of the cover ring. Allow the bottom half open for drainage and to promote drying. This will prevent the chemicals from soaking the foam rings and possibly damaging the bond. Now they have 12-inch, 18-inch, 24-inch, 30-inch, 36-inch, and 42-inch. And there's oil rub bronze, candy apple red, white, gold, brushed and polished stainless steel. I'll put the website in the description. Thanks for watching.